Investing in managed funds for beginners. Managed funds spread your money across different kinds of investments. Instead of investing directly and doing it all ourselves, we can invest in a managed fund where our money is pooled with other investors' money and spread across different kinds of investments. A fund manager chooses the investments, and each investor owns a portion of the total fund. Benefits of investing in a managed fund. With a managed fund, our money is spread across more investments than it would be if we bought an investment such as a share or property directly. 1. Managed funds can be a great way for beginners to wade into the waters of investing, as it doesn't take much to get started. 2. Managed funds also make it easier to manage risk by spreading our investments across a range of assets and products. KiwiSaver is a good example. 3. The fund manager chooses investments according to the fund's rules. The manager is paid to administer the fund and choose the investments. 4. We don't need to have in-depth knowledge. The beauty of managed funds is that we can take advantage of a fund manager's expertise. 5. We can earn income from managed funds as well as getting capital gains when the value of our units in the fund rises. Different kinds of managed funds. Managed funds may have a general focus and be described as defensive, conservative, balanced, growth, aggressive. They can be focused on a particular type of investment or market such as shares, commodities, or emerging markets. It's a good idea to choose the kind of assets or markets we want to invest in first and then find a suitable fund manager that specializes in that type of fund. If you're not sure which kind of fund suits your investment goals, head to the Investor Profiler. How to buy managed funds. We can buy managed funds directly from the management company or sometimes on share markets such as the NZX. We can increasingly access managed funds through online investing platforms such as Hatch and Invest Now. Funds are usually priced in units. After buying units in a fund, it is usually possible to switch between funds with the same manager if you decide you want a different type. Contact the manager when you want to sell your units and get your money back. Buying managed funds instead of individual investments spreads risk and requires less work than investing directly.